Do you want to remove a green background just like in this clip here? Let me show you how to remove a green screen in CapCut for PC. First, import your clip into CapCut. Next, go to the video section and select Remove Background. Since this clip has a green background, we'll use the Chroma key. Click on the color picker and hover over the green area to select the color you want to remove. As you can see, the edges aren't perfectly clean yet, so let's adjust the settings. Increase the intensity, add a bit of feather, and use edge cleaner to smooth things out. Just play around with these settings until it looks right, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.